Hello, now this is a really short video in which we'll see how you can hide yourselves on the network for ping requests. To find out about other machines on the network and whether they're alive and reachable, you can use the ping command. Using ping means you send an icmp request and hope to receive an icmp reply. Icmp requests are not blocked by Linux firewall daemon by default, so you either have to explicitly block them or choose for another method. So for this exercise I use Rocky Linux machines 191 and 192. And to test whether 192 is reachable, I use the ping command. So I ping Rocky 192 and I see it answers with icmp reply. And if I want to monitor network traffic with regards to icmp, I can use tcp dump icmp. And we see that there's a request which is always followed by a reply. But what if you do not want to be visible on the network? So what if you do not want to respond to such a request and in a sense hide yourself on the network? Now, as you probably know, when you boot your machine, some 2000 kernel parameters will be set. And most of those are visible in proc.sys. And some of them can be set on the fly. So if you want to work with network parameters, you could visit /proc sys net IP version 4. And to list all parameters that are related to icmp, I can simply list icmp. And what we're interested in is the echo ignore all parameter, which will do exactly what it says when it's activated. It will hide your machine by no longer responding to icmp requests. Now let's see what its value is, and we see it's 0. So this simply means that the parameter is not active, so it does not ignore requests. But if we set it to 1, we see that the replies immediately stop. Now if we check icmp traffic with tcp dump, we see that 191 still sends a request but simply doesn't receive an answer. And to make ourselves visible again, we can set it to 0. Now interesting to know maybe, the configuration for parameters that can be set at boot time is etc sysctl.conf. So if we add icmp echo ignore all to this file, the parameter will be set to 1 at boot time, if we like that. And we're done.